shot mother.
Yeah, we are currently inside of my new car. So yes, I ended up getting this thing. Check out the steering wheel, the horn don't work. You know what, I'm not gonna tell you guys too much details. I plan on doing a 10 things I hate and a 10 things I like video. All right, you gotta tell me if you think this thing feels fast, babe.
Okay.
And I personally think, I mean, it's all right. Honestly, I think the Blazer would beat this thing in a race. Slow.
I'm just kidding.
Doesn't feel terrible.
No, it doesn't.
It's all right, but I think it needs. I mean, it's completely stock. The engine's all completely stock, so definitely not a race car, but it's pretty freaking cool for what it is.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so yes, we ended up getting the car, man. This is a 97 Honda Civic hatchback, and I think it's pretty obvious what the significant thing is about this thing. Is it has a J swap in it. It is a J32 swap. I honestly have nothing, like no knowledge about this at all, other than I just know it's a J swap, and it's a 6-speed. I don't even know what that transmission comes out of, but you know, whenever you get into something different, something new, a new chassis, a new engine, whatever, you slowly start learning things. So yeah, I'm gonna figure it out through the course of owning this thing. If I'm being honest with you, I don't know how long it is that I'm gonna keep this thing, but it's gonna be on the channel for a while. I want to clean it up. I want to make it look a lot nicer. Realistically, I guess the kind of response that it gets from you guys is what's gonna determine whether I keep this thing, because after I clean it up and fix some things and make it a lot nicer, I could most certainly turn this thing for a profit for what it is I paid for it. But yeah, it is in pretty good shape, dude. I'm gonna make a video going over this thing, of course, and showing you guys all the little details and all that about it. So I'm gonna try to save that for that video. You know, those basic YouTuber type videos. 10 things I hate about a car, 10 things I love about my new J-swapped EK. Am I allowed to call it an EK? Let's check the VIN number. We're like back in the form days, man. People get so offended. It's an EJ6. Hey everybody, here's my new EJ6 hatchback. Like, does that really sound appropriate? But I will say this car is definitely a lot of fun. It's got a nice look to it. It needs some work. It's got a lot of nice things going for it, but there are a lot of little things that kind of drive me nuts about it. Well, I messed up. I killed the damn battery on the truck. Anyhow, I have this little jump pack. I want to at least get the thing started, because I got to get it closer to the house. It's been a long time since I've had to deal with a dead battery, you know that? Oh, I forget it has this stupid thing. So a company sent me out this battery charger. I think it's pretty obvious that I've already got some battery chargers, but I figured we may as well go ahead and give this one a try since I haven't even opened it up yet. Bro, this thing looks like a little welder. Oh, it's got a battery repair function. That's interesting. I don't know if that could become useful. I wanted to use the truck to get some footage of the new car, and I got up this morning and I was gonna, you know, put the 360 camera so I can follow behind in the hatch and basically gonna use the truck as a camera vehicle, have Jessica drive it, but then the battery was dead, so I need to get it jumped. But the problem that I always run into is whenever I just jump start it and then you allow the alternator to charge the battery, for one, it's not good on the alternator, but it's also not good for the battery. And you guys know me and my experience with batteries. So yeah, it's just you plug the thing in and then you decide whether you want a slow charge or fast charge. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on fast charge because I ain't got time for all that. You hear it come on, it's got a fan. That's kind of cool. Now we got some movement here. See, the battery is at 38%. The voltage is at 13.1 because it's putting 14.4 volts of current through it. All right, this thing has been on the charger now for probably about an hour and a half. Now we are sitting at 95% and it says it has 15.6 volts. I mean, that's obviously with the charger, but yeah, dude, let's go ahead and crank it up. Pretty obvious it's gonna start. Yes, sir. If you guys are in need of a battery charger, I recommend checking this one out. I will have a link in the description down below. It seems to be working for me, man. I guarantee you, you'll see it again on the channel. I'll let you guys know in another 6 months how well it's doing. Alright, give you guys a really quick backstory where I got this thing. If you are paying attention to Dylan's channel, I've been telling y'all to go follow the boy. He actually acquired this car in a trade. Dylan, it's kind of funny. He sent me a picture of the headlights on this car. Well, a picture of the car referring to the headlights. He was asking me if I wanted to trade headlights from this car for the giveaway car because these headlights look like they're in a little bit better condition. And I had mentioned to him, I mean, they are in good shape from what I could tell by the picture, but the ones that are on the giveaway car, I could simply just clear coat. Honestly, it's not really a big deal. I'm gonna probably end up buffing them and clear coating them anyhow. But shortly after that, I mean, you could tell the hood of the car is basically an engine. You know, there's no hiding the fact that thing is J-swapped. I asked him about it, but I also noticed that he posted it for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So in which then I reached out to him. I asked him if there was some kind of deal that we can work out on this thing because I was interested in it, dude. It's an EK hatch, bro. Like, you guys don't know this, but I've always kind of wanted an EK hatch. Ever since I got my first Integra years and years ago, I've always loved this body style. Honestly, I've never been a huge fan of J-swaps because I've actually taken a ride in one before that was turboed and it just didn't compare to the nitrous B20 VTEC that was in khaki. But I mean, for the sake of not everything needing to be a race car, it's definitely still cool. I mean, it's got a giant V6 sticking out of the damn hood. All right, so I like EKs and it's got a J swap, but really the reason why I bought this car is because if you guys have been paying attention for the last, I don't know, year or so, if I'm being honest, I've kind of fallen out of love with the whole Honda thing. Don't get me wrong, I still love khaki. I've had that car forever. I'll never get rid of that car. But as far as building Hondas, I've kind of fallen out of love with it, man. And honestly, I think this car might help me with that. It's just, it has that wild, crazy appeal to it. It's an EK hatch. It's a really cool car. And it's got a J-swap in it. I know a lot of you guys have been following Deadbeat Garage for a long time, and I know a lot of you guys are here because of my Honda content, and I'm really hoping that this is going to kind of try to reunite us as well, man, through the process of building this car and making it something a lot nicer than what it is. It's already very cool, but like I said, there's a lot of really nice things about the car, and there's a lot of stuff that really just needs some attention. So I have not completely decided what the 10 things is that I love about this car, and I haven't decided what exactly the 10 things are that I hate about this car. I know there's a lot of things that I would like to address about it. I'll give you guys a little glimpse into my mindset on this. I do want this car to have a more aggressive look, but I want it to have a subtle aggressive look, if that makes sense. I don't want it to be over the top, but I do want it to have a little bit more of an aggression than what it's got right now. The interior, honestly, let me grab this key so it doesn't beep the whole time. The interior, honestly, is not in terrible shape for what is actually here, but the interior is kind of boring, you know? I do appreciate the fact that the seats aren't all ripped up, but they are a very boring looking seat, you know? The door panels are there, that's a plus, and they're not too terribly cracked because I know how bad EK door panels can get. The dash is in really good shape. There's no cracks or anything. It does already have an acuity shifter. And sorry if you guys hear my air conditioning going. Yeah, I've got a portable AC unit inside of this thing because the car does not have air conditioning. And to me, in my big ass age that I am, I kind of really value air conditioning inside of my vehicles. What do you know about that, buddy? It's got working shocks. Well, kinda. You have to kind of help them come up. So they could probably use a replacement. But the back of the car is, you know, it's dirty. The paint is original, obviously, back here. It's dirty. There's no plastics in the rear. There's no rear seat. Another thing I'd really like to see for this car in the future is for it to have a full interior. And did I mention air conditioning? Another thing, which is probably going to be the most difficult task of it all, I want this car to have a hood. And as you can tell, the engine kind of sticks very far up into where a hood would be. Look at that. Would you just freaking look at that? I'll tell you one thing that will most certainly be on my hate list is this front lip. I cannot stand Type R style front lips, especially that one. Alrighty, I gotta grab my portable air conditioning unit up out of here.
That's a long hose, babe.
Hey, that's what she said.
Is it cold? Sorry.
It turned off. Well, there it is, man. Just another one to add to the collection, to my parking lot that I have here at the house. What can I say? I want to end this off by letting you guys know that I am not going to tear into this car. We might get some parts for it for here and there, but I do not want to tear into this car until we have khaki done. Just so that you do know, I have been still gathering parts on khaki. I have the axles, I have not gotten a conversion harness because ChatGPT is telling me that I don't need a conversion harness, that me and him can wire that thing ourselves. So there's that. But I did get all the fuel stuff, fuel line, AN line and stuff, and I did get some of the billet pieces and everything that I need to complete the coolant system. So I have been getting a bunch of parts together because I would really like to make one solid video shooting for the first start on khaki. Anyhow, guys, throw it in the comments down below what you guys think of the new car. I really hope that you guys are excited about this. Like I said, I would like for this car to kind of reunite my love for the Honda community, the Honda like enthusiast inside of me. What can I say? And I really hope that this will help me reconnect with you guys as far as the Honda content and everything that I know that you guys love. Of course, the Blazer isn't going anywhere, and I definitely have a lot to do to this thing soon as well. There's a lot of projects on the channel, but I'm telling you, I just could not let this one go by, man. I had to get this. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. As y'all know, I have a lot of work that I still need to do to this thing, but good Lord, this thing is looking freaking sexy, man. I got to get back to work on the hood and on the trunk, and there's a lot of other little things that we need to do to button this thing up and get it done. You know, one thing that I'm really looking forward to once we get this thing done, I want to race this car against khaki. So as soon as we get this thing all assembled and stuff, I really need to switch gears, get on khaki, get khaki running, and who knows, maybe we'll be able to run the J-Swap car against both of them too. But I think the J-Swap car is probably gonna get its ass handed to it, if I'm being honest with you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, every $5 you spend gets you an entry towards winning this ridiculously clean EK coupe that was destined to be parted out and go to the scrapyard, dude. And now look at this thing. It is absolutely immaculate, and it could be yours. Link is in the description down below. Peace.
Shot, mother.